Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and you can do it just by tapping on the square icon right here. So as you can see, after tapping on it, you will be transferred to the list of all previously opened apps, and if you want to, you can close only one of it or two of them just by finding it and tapping on this X button, and probably just by swiping it to the right or to the left, up to you which option is most comfortable for you. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you do not want to waste your time, simply tap on Clear All. And as you can see, we got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close background apps in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.